Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2010 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive, stock number B9777A. Only 78,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Red jewel in color. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Thick skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player, rear audio as well as climate controls, middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Additional underfloor storage. Not only low miles, but very clean. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage in the center console, and a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and that's where that backup camera display is. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.